Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Honorable Head of Study Program of Economic Education, Professor Dr. Sri Indah Nikensari, SE, MSI. And the Honorable all of the examiner study. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Kenny Leonaltus from Economic Education Class A, 2018. Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta. In this occasion, I'm going to present internship report on PT Bank DKI with the title is Internship Program Report on Consumer Relation Manager PT Bank DKI Juanda with my guide lecturer Mrs. Siti Fatimah Zahra, SEI, NE. Okay. First, the intent of the internship is provide work experience to students in order to apply or compare and analyze theory and knowledge with actual condition in the field. The second intent is conduct an analysis of the existing economic system in a company based on the theory and knowledge gained during the lecture. And the last intent is understand and general the activities that exist in the company. Okay, now the purpose of the internship. The first purpose of this internship is student can develop and apply experience in field work to be used as a consideration for the final project. The second purpose is to complete the internship course as fulfillment of the graduation requirement for economic education bachelor's. The last purpose is students get an overview of the real states of the world of work and have experience and involved in economic activities in the real life. Okay, now the place and schedule of an internship program. My internship program was held in PT Bank DKI Juanda branch on Consumer Relation Manager Division. The address of the company is at Insinyur Haji Juanda Street number 7 until number 9, Pasar Baru, Central Jakarta. And the schedule of the internship program is on 1st February until 1st March 2021, Monday to Friday work days on 20 working days. The vision and mission from PT Bank DKI is the vision is to become modern and highest value regional bank, which maintain balance between profit and Jakarta development. To reach this vision, Bank DKI has such a mission. The mission is supporting Jakarta development through becoming reference bank for transaction, SMI, and creating less cash society. PT Bank DKI at a glance. In 11 April 1961, Bank DKI was established in Jakarta, name of PT Bank Pembangunan Daerah Jakarta Raya, as declared on established deeds of banks Pembangunan Daerah Jakarta Raya or PT Bank Pembangunan Daerah Jakarta Raya, Limited Company number 30, date 11 April 1691, made by Nursery Eliza Pondak. In 1978, the legal entity of the company was transformed from the Bank Pembangunan Daerah Jakarta Raya Limited Company to Bank Pembangunan Daerah DKI Jakarta. On March 2004, the bank started its operational activities based on Sharia principle, based on Bank of Indonesia letter number 6/39 DPBS, date 13 January 2004, concerning the principle of opening Sharia bank branch office in banks commercial activities. In 2008, Bank Pembangunan Daerah DKI Jakarta doing legal form and changing corporation name alteration to PT Bank DKI. Here's the organizational structure at PT Bank DKI. The highest hierarchy of this structure is RUPS, or Rapat Umum Pemegang Saham, which is the DKI government. Practitioner doing internship on the Consumer Group Division. Consumer Group Division is managing individual consumer credit, start from 10 million rupiah until 500 million rupiah. Okay, in this internship, I had 5 main jobs, which is the first, receiving email via email and bringing the letter to the office later. And the second is sending mail through email. And the 3 is offering credit product to the consumer. And the 4 is scanning data of consumer. And the 5 is, or the last, is inputting data of the consumer into the Excel. My first main job is receiving incoming mail and send it via email and then bringing the letter to the office later. The practitioner is given the task by the supervisor to receive incoming letter via the bank's email system, which is then I will print the email. After I printing the email, the letter I will bring to the head of the office that concerned as the state in the letter. My second job is send and record outgoing mail via Bank DKI web mail and record outgoing mail in Microsoft Excel application. The steps in sending letter formally are: the first, the letter is signed by the head of the office, which is the head branch, and the second is the signature of the leadership is stamped according to the stamp of the respective branch office. The site and the stamp letter is scanned via a scanning machine. After scanning the letter is sent via the bank email system provided by the bank, which is the DKI email system. Okay, my third main job is offering credit product to Bank DKI customer. Practitioners are assigned tasks by their supervisor every day to offer Bank DKI credit product to customer, especially civil servants, and DKI employees. After finishing offering the product, the practitioner records the name on the customer who is interested to offer and given by the practitioner to following the offer. Okay. The fourth implementation, scanning data of customer who is already used the multipurpose credit facility. Data scanning carried out to store data on the consumer who will use multipurpose credit at the DKI, which will then be processed by the party concerned to validate whether the consumer is entitled to credit or not. So the five, or the last, my main job is inputting data to customer, inputting data of customer who wish to use the KMG financial facility or multi-purpose credit into Microsoft Excel. Every customer who wants to make the credit is required to complete the specific document requirements. Practitioner inputting customer data and collateral by looking at the customer data from the bundle prepared at the customer data, then inputting the customer data into Microsoft Excel with the name of multi-use credit granted inventory file. Here's the example of Excel data of multi-purpose credit. Okay, in this internship, I have found obstacles. The first is practitioners find it difficult to adapt to company work environment in the first week of work. This happened because of the environment of the bank is so influent. The second is lack of knowledge about Bank DKI program system. Okay, how I resolve the problem that I found in this internship. The first is the adaptation problem. How I resolve it is I'm trying slowly to mingle with other employees so I can easily adapt to the environment of the bank. And the second, I'm hard to understand the system program. How to resolve it? So I'm actively asking other employees beside of my supervisor because my supervisor is very busy. And digging my themselves the assessment that have been given to me. Okay, the summary and the suggestion. My summary is the practitioner gaining the ability to become a better person, especially on communication and marketing skills. The second summary is the practitioner can implement the knowledge that has been learned during the lecture into the real world of work. My suggestion from this internship is for the college student who will carry out an internship, they should know the field of work at the intended place and deepen the knowledge that have been learned during the lecture. For the study program of economic education, maybe should provide recommendation communication college student will doing internship program, provide direction or socialization before internship program begin. I think that's all of my presentation. If there is a mistake in my work or other mistakes, I feel sorry deeply. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.